In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create private channel on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a channel that only specific people can see and use, which is perfect for moderators, project teams, or any sensitive conversations you want to keep contained. First, open Discord and head to the server where you want this private space. Look to the top left of your screen and click the server name. This opens a small menu that controls server-level actions. From this menu, choose Create Channel. If you don't see this option, you may need the Manage Channels permission from a server admin before proceeding. Next, you'll be asked to choose the channel type. Pick what fits your needs best. Text channels are ideal for messages, files, and links. Voice channels are great for calls and hangouts. Give your channel a clear, recognizable name so people who are allowed in will immediately know what it's for. Naming conventions like team planning or staff chat can help keep things organized. Before moving on, make sure to enable the private channel option. This is the switch that locks the channel down, so it's hidden from everyone except the roles you explicitly allow. If you don't toggle this on, the channel will be visible to your entire server, even if they can't type in it, so don't skip this part. After enabling private channel, click Next. You'll now choose which roles should have access. This is where your server's role structure really matters. Select only the roles that truly need to see and use the channel, such as moderators, leaders, or a project-specific role you've already set up. Keeping access as minimal as possible helps maintain privacy and reduces accidental leaks. You can always broaden access later if needed. Once you've selected the appropriate roles, confirm your choices, and your private channel will be created instantly. It will appear in your channel list with a small lock icon indicating that it's restricted. Only members who have one of the allowed roles will see it in their list or be able to join. A few quick tips to keep things running smoothly. Double-check your role assignments to avoid overexposing the channel. Keep the channel name and topic clear so users know the purpose. If you ever need to tweak who can access the channel, you can do that later from the channel's permissions without recreating anything. That's it. You've created a private channel on Discord, secured the audience with roles, and set yourself up for focused, confidential communication.